Okay, so today we're taking a look at the TP30 HD wireless transmitter and receiver, and yeah, it's in the name. You can transmit an HD signal from one device to the next wirelessly, just like that. In this video, we're going to take a look what you get inside of the box, how to set it up, and of course the different ways you can use this. So let's get straight into it. All right, so when you open up your box, you're going to get one transmitter and one receiver. Of course, the transmitter goes to the video out and the receiver will go to the video in, such as a monitor or TV screen. You're going to get two USB-A to USB-C power cables to power your transmitter and receiver. Now keep in mind, if the HD port on your device does HDMI power output, then you're not going to need to power the USB port to it. But if it doesn't, then you may need to use that. So you'll discover that when you connect this to your device. But most laptops or newer laptops will supply that power out through the HDMI port. Okay, and thirdly, you have an HDMI cord extender. For some reason, you need some more length. You got it right here. And you have some HDMI adapters. You have an HDMI to HDMI mini, and then you also have an HDMI to HDMI micro, depending on the devices you're going to connect this to. All right, so connecting this is super straightforward. First of all, starting off, I'm going to connect this to my screen first so you can see what it says when you connect this. All right, so I'm going to take my screen uses an HDMI mini. So I'm going to plug my HDMI mini right here, get that set up. And I'm going to need some power as well because I've already tried this out. So I'm going to take one of these cords. I'm gonna plug into my power source and I'll plug it directly into here. All right, we'll give it time and we're gonna see the menu system for it. It's gonna tell you right now it's not detecting a connection between the two. All right, so now we're gonna connect our transmitter. So we'll pop that out. On my laptop here, I'm gonna connect this directly to my dongle for my laptop. And for my dongle, specifically for me, it does provide power through the HDMI for me to do this. So I'm just gonna connect it here. All right, and we'll just wait a couple of seconds as it detects a new source. It'll bring that up here and then we'll see it pop up right here. There you go. And there we go. Yeah, now it's transmitting the two right there. Now, like I said before, you can connect this to other things as well. We're gonna try this out on my camera. So right now I'm gonna take this out, I'm gonna remove it. Okay, now since it's my camera, I know off the bat that my camera is not going to supply the power for the HDMI stick for the transmitter. So I'm going to get my second one. I'm going to connect it to another power source. All right, and then I'll get my HDMI micro because that's what my camera uses. And I'll plug it in. And I'll turn my camera on. It'll pop up on my monitor. And of course, here we go. It's monitoring what's coming from my camera wirelessly. Of course, there may be a little lag or delay to it, but as far as monitoring, it works just fine. The signal works just fine. Now, of course, you can input 4K signals into this, but it's always going to come out as a 1080p signal, so just keep that in mind. And also for you guys who really want to know the deep specs, this is HDMI 1.4, so just keep that in mind as well. But yeah, as far as streaming wirelessly, this works great. Again, you can connect your laptop to maybe a projector or another far away monitor source, maybe like a TV or something else. You got flexibility, you got options, and of course, this is pretty cool as well. All right, really hope this video helped you out in seeing if this is the right product for you. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own TP30. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification to get me notified for future videos as well. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.